Hi, thanks for visiting my channel again. I having a hard time how many days that do some troubleshooting to this Ropun 5B, the 5 scale. So this one is the original Walbro there. And this one is the replacement. I think it's like $69.99 in Amazon. So I give it a shot. Hopefully this one is work. So I do a lot of troubleshooting, but I could not make to run it. It runs, but it get me a lot of idle, and after that quit. So I very frustrated. So hopefully this one is gonna give me some good result. Let's put it in. It's a little bit not easy to remove the old one. You need to remove the top frame and make sure remove the spark plug connection too, so that you're not have any bother on your way. So let's proceed and let's do it. I'm not 100% this one is work, but if you want to see the part numbers there, 603304 made in China, carburetor replacement. And when you open the box, they give you a 223 inches hose. I don't know what the color stand for. Maybe the clear one is the gas line, and the other one is for the breather. Out of the box, they give you this one, the two gasket, and a two filter tube for the gas, and two primal bulb. So let's put this one in on the engine, and let's start from there. Just a suggestion, if you remove this one, don't remove the gasket, so that you know where you're gonna put it. So that way, and the other side is that way. That's why I never remove it, so that I know what part and what it look like, which one is the one in the other side, and this one is the one in the front. So I just seen this is very 99% identical, whether you turn around. So any angle, it's about perfect the same. So I never remove this one also. So that, and this one, I'm just gonna remove it. I keep the old one so that I'm not hard time to put the linkage later. I'm gonna use this one. It's just gonna use the old one. The one has mark. That one is inside, and this one is the outside. Now I already secure it. Put the two support bolt there, and here's the choke. I already put the linkage there, linkage arm, and put the air cleaner on, and make sure don't pinch this block. That's the line for the engine, line for the gas. So this one's the tricky part. You need to put the clamp in the other bottom part, and after that put the top one, connect it like that, and after that lock it. It's a little bit tricky to do it, but you're gonna find out too. And the outside foam, just slide it up. So make sure everything is stuck in there. So I tuck it nice. Put the last cover in and turn it to get the lock on. After that, put this clip after that, fish it like this. Get a hook so that you can put the supply gas filter there. So I already pour it, and then after that, drop it inside. Make sure line in underneath there so that it sucks some gas and filter it. Put the gas cap on and mix, press gas, and try to start this one. Without putting this roll cage, I just leave it like that first. I wait until it start and put it back, everything. So I wait until the next day because yesterday is already dark. So to give us a positive try on this one, I charged the battery, now is full. And I decided to put the roll cage to everything so that it's all set. And let's fire out today. So hopefully this one is start. So that's my concern. And after that, I hope that they not give us any problem after I change the carb. And I'm sorry that I never show you how to put the carb, but it's easy. You can just remove the two long bolt there and loosen, and that be it. And just follow what it says there, that how you put your gasket in, and you're not gonna be lost after that. So let's fire this one and let's see if it is start. So this one is only trial and error. I'm not sure if that's 16 something dollars, almost $17 in Amazon carburetor, if it is work or not. So but when I check online, I check it if this one is matched to this Roban Baja 5B pip scale. They said it's matched up on that carb, that's why I bought it. So let's do it and start. Let's start it. Find the bulb, put the chalk, pull. It's ready bar, put that up. So as you can see, it's work normal now. So the only can tell if this one is last. So I just gonna do some review again soon if they give you problem after I use it for a bunch of times. Bye bye, thank you, have a wonderful day, see you next time. I'm out.